Hey guys, it's Tip Tuesday. Please excuse my pajamas. It's cold and raining outside. So I'm gonna be comfortable and wear pajamas, okay? I mean, we family, right? We friends. I'm sure you guys are in pajamas too. But aren't they cute though? They're super soft. Okay, I'm getting off subject. Okay, so today's Tip Tuesday, and I did a Instagram live already kind of about this, but I know not everybody follows me, and I think it's important to kind of like touch base with it. So my tip today is going to be about cleaning your brushes. It's really important to clean your brushes. It will vary on depending on how much you wear makeup or how much makeup you actually wear. So if you wear makeup regularly, like religiously, it's really important to wash your brushes at least once a month. If you can do twice a week, that's great, because that will help prevent you breaking out and just, some eyeshadows have a lot of shimmer in them. So sometimes if you think you got all of it out and try using another one, no, there's still some shimmer in there. Trust me, I know from experience. But yeah, so if you wear it regularly, it is important to wash them at least once a month. If you don't wear that much makeup, you just wear it, every now and then you can go at least 2 months. But I would always wash your concealer and your liquid foundation brushes at least once a month. Because when you think about it, that's the brush you're going to use every single day with a lot of product to cover your whole entire face and your neck. So, and foundation is one of the biggest things that can cause you to break out. Obviously, all brushes and all things can make you break out, but foundation is going to be like the key, because that's what goes into your skin, into your pores, and which causes you to break out. So even if you don't wear makeup that much, I'll always try to wash your liquid foundation and concealer brush at least once a month. And you don't have to get anything fancy swancy. You can literally just buy Dove soap, and you can get it at Walmart for like 99 cents for like the small one. It works on ducks and grease, so it's gonna work on your brushes. You can get the fancy stuff. That's your business. If you just like having fancy stuff, go ahead. But you really don't need it. All you need is just a Dawn soap. And that's it. That's it. So when you clean your brushes, all you need is just warm water and the dish soap, and then a conditioner, because it's important to put moisture back into your brushes, because just like with your hair, you shampoo your hair and then what do? You condition it, because when you shampoo your hair, and technically when you wash your brushes, you're taking out all of the gunk and just crap that's in your brush, and then you gotta put moisture back into your hair, and brushes is technically hair. So you want to put conditioner back into the brush, because you want to make sure your brushes are soft, and plus that helps your brushes last longer. Now it is important to be careful on how you wash your brushes, because if you don't want to drown them. Let me just set that straight. You don't want to drown your brush in water, because the brush and the hairs and the glue, if you drown your brush in liquid, you're going to break down that glue that holds everything together, and then hairs are going to come out, and that's how you ruin your brushes, and they don't last as long, and then you got to buy more. That's just a lot of money going down the drain. So just be very careful as to how you are washing your brushes and how close you are getting to the actual foundation of where the brush is being held on. But yeah, you would just use warm water and Dawn soap, and you would wash it on your hand in a circular motion, and you're gonna see all of it come out, and then you're gonna just squeeze all the excess out, and you'll just see everything like come out, especially the foundation one. That one's gonna take you the longest to wash, trust me. And I would do it on a day that you are either going to be off for the weekend, or you don't mind going at least a day or two without makeup, I mean, it is a good thing to do, you know, because you give your face a chance to breathe. I mean, I'm not wearing any makeup today because I was tired and I really need to wash my brushes, like really, really badly, because I've been lazy, which that's gonna happen. But it's important, you know, you don't want to go a year. Don't do that. You don't want to go a year without washing your brushes. If you go longer, like a month longer than you should have, it's fine. It's not gonna hurt your brushes or it's gonna hurt you. It's just better hygiene if you do wash them more often. I fell behind on this one, so bad on me. But I'm gonna wash them tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. See? But it's important to go ahead and wash them either when you're off or when you don't mind not wearing any makeup. And again, it is, you know, you do want your skin to breathe sometimes and just, you know, focus on skincare because that's also important when it comes to makeup also. But the reason why I say that is because it can take at least a day to 2 days for your makeup brushes to be completely dry. Now, they do have some makeup brush cleaners. I actually have one. I think it's called InStyle Pro. It's like this device that you put your brush into and it spins it really, really fast. And when you use that, it does get a lot of the moisture and all of the water out of the brush. So sometimes my brushes are dry instantly, and sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Especially with like my powder foundation brush, that one takes a little bit longer because it's so big. But if you don't have that, you're gonna have to like wrap it in paper towel and then wrap that in a bigger towel and just fold it up and let it sit. And it can take at least 1 to 2 days for your brushes to be completely dry. So that's why I say, you know, try to plan it out. You know, if you know you're going to be off for the weekend, or if you're on vacation, or you know you just want to just let your skin breathe and focus on just skincare and just working on just that, then go ahead and do it then. And then again, make sure you just be careful on how you wash them, and then you're going to condition them. Now you are going to rinse out the conditioner, I will say that. You don't want to leave it in because then it'll kind of be too greasy, and then that'll affect your foundation or anything else that you try to use. So yes, you are putting moisture back into it, but you're going to rinse it right out once you're done. And yeah, I would try to do at least once a month, or don't go no longer than 2 months. But yeah, I just think it's important for people to know, because not everybody knows you're supposed to wash your brushes. I mean, I didn't know for like the longest. So that's why I think it's important for people to know to make sure they do wash their brushes. And if you need help picking out certain brushes, or you're not sure what certain brushes are used for, just comment below and we can have a brush lesson. Now my brushes are nothing fancy. They don't have any numbers on them. But I can always just show you, and you know, I can tell you what brushes to use by just showing you and explaining like the width of it. I think the only brushes that I know of that are numbered are like the Morphe brushes, or the more high dollar ones. I'm not fancy. I just use soft brushes that I find are like, well, no, I got mine on Amazon. Yeah, I got mine on Amazon, and they're pretty nice. But they don't have numbers on them. But that doesn't mean I can't help you. I can still help you find the correct brushes and explain what they are used for. And if you want me to make a video on washing my brushes, I can do that also, because I know not everybody has Instagram, or you don't follow me on Instagram, so I can at least, you know, and then too, it's hard to find stuff on Instagram, but whereas here, you can always just go back to the history and then find it. If you want to just watch me do it, and while you do it until you kind of like get the routine of it, then you know you can always just go back to it. I think that might be easier. So if you need that, just comment below and I can make a video on that. But yeah, I really wanted to touch base on that, because I think it is important, because you know, brushes are not that cheap, and you know, you don't want to clog your pores and then cause breakouts. So I think it's important to make sure everybody knows how and how often to wash their brushes. But yeah, and I'm sorry I missed last week's Tip Tuesday. I'm trying to add more stuff into our content and figure out editing. Headache. man, let me tell you. but no, so I'm gonna try not to miss any more days of Tip Tuesdays. But I do have more product reviews. Well, I actually have one right now lined up. My Theo Rose asked me to do a product review on the NYX Lip Shine. I think that's what it's called. It's on my phone, but I think that's what it's called. It's supposed to last up to 16 hours, and it's supposed to not transfer to anything. So like, if you kiss your husband, if you drink out of a straw, whatever, it's not supposed to move, like, at all. It's supposed to just be there, like. So we're gonna test that, and we are going to, yeah, we're gonna do that. You know what I might do too? I might put it on and wear my mask, because you know your mask is like right on you. So I feel like we're just gonna try different things and see if it does work. Now, one thing I don't like to see, me personally, I mainly wear mattes. I really like matte lip glosses. But every now and then with matte, you have to add moisture to them, so you gotta use your chapstick. But when you use your chapstick, you can see the tints of your lipstick on your chapstick. So what I'll probably do is, I want to see if it really does not transfer, then it probably shouldn't transfer on a chapstick. But I don't know. We will find out when I get it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to Ulta tomorrow just to see what they have. Because, man, online, they were out of a lot of colors online. And then, too, you know, the shades are kind of different in person versus online. So I really want to see the color first. They have some wild colors, though. Like, they got, like, blue. Like, blue. And they got purple, I think. We're not going to do nothing too crazy like that. We're going to do, like, well, there's one color I liked online. It's like a plum color, but it's not, like, overly purple. It's kind of like red purple-ish. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna go tomorrow to get it. So be on the lookout for that video. And I am gonna be making more content and more videos about these 2 new palettes that I got. I'm so excited. One of them, my friend Kaylee bought for me. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It's a Morphe palette. I've never had a Morphe palette before, so I'm excited. And I got a Luna Magic palette. Well, the Luna Magic palette, because I only have one. If you don't know what Luna Magic is, it is a new makeup line that is created by some Latinas. Whoop, whoop. So I'm super excited. They were on Shark Tank. So I'm going to be making a video about that. I got their bundle. It's like the palette was like 2 lip glosses. And those are also matte too. So be on the look for those. I'll be making videos on those and creating different looks with them. But see, it's so hard to pick what color to use. So I might do like one thing on one eye and another thing on another eye, because they're just so pretty. Like, so pretty. So be on the lookout for those. So we got the product review, and then we'll have more videos on the makeup palettes. So excited. So excited. Yeah. But yeah, so that's it for today's Tip Tuesday. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. Again, comment below for any other tips you would like for me to talk about, or if you need help picking out the brushes that you may need, or showing you how I wash my brushes. You know, we're here to learn, talk, exchange different tips or different hacks, you know, because sometimes I still need hacks because I don't know about certain things. So, you know, why not? Yeah. But you guys, that is it for today. But again, look out for those videos that are coming up very, very soon. Okay? I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.